Good day. This is the student enquiry about how to find a quadratic equation from table. Without further ado, let's solve this question. So if we have a table of x and y, x is the value of 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and y has the value of 1, 6, 17, 34, 57, and 86. So we are going to find a quadratic equation from this table. So what do? The quadratic equation has this form: y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So the idea of this is to find the value of a, b, and c, which we will learn later on. First thing first. First, we need to find the first difference. So if between the y. So 1 and 6, the difference is 5. 6 and 17, the difference is 11. 17 and 34, the difference is 17. And then we followed by 57 and 34, the difference should be 23. And last but not least, 86 and 57, the difference should be 29. So the first thing we need to do, we need to find the difference in y for the first difference. Then to find the second difference, 5 and 11, the difference is 6. 11 and 17 is 6. 17 and 23 is 6. And 23 to 29 is 6. So if the second difference is all the same, then you know that this is a quadratic equation. So now let's find the a, b, and c. So the general equation for a quadratic is y equal to ax squared plus bx plus c. So we need to find a, b, and c. A and c is quite easy to find. So let's do it now. A is just the second difference divided by 2. In our case, our second difference is 6. So 6 divided by 2, a equals to 3. Okay, to find your c is also simple. C happens when x equals to 0. When x equals 0, your y is 1, just like your y-intercept. So your c is 1. So now you know your a and c. We're going to put in the a and c into the equation. So y is now equals to, a is 3, so 3x squared plus bx plus 1, because c equals to 1. Okay, now is the interesting part about finding b. To find b, you have to use a bit of algebra. So you need to choose an x and substitute the y into that equation. We can't use 0 because if 0 equals 0 and y is 1, so 1 equals to 1, so there's no point. So we shall use the next easy example. X is 1, y equals to 6. So when x is 1, y equals to 6, so y is going to be 6 and x equals to 1. So 3 times 1 squared plus b1 plus 1. Now you simplify that. 6 equals to 1 squared is 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus b plus 1. So b plus 4 equals to 6. So b equals to 2. Once you found your b, you're going to put the b into this equation if a and c is also known. So your final equation is y equals to 3, because a is 3, x squared plus 2x plus 1, because your c is 1 and your b is 2. So that is the equation. How you find whether it's right or wrong, you're going to substitute the next value. When x is 2, so it'll be 2 squared, it'll be 4, 4 plus, times 3 is 12, 12 plus 4, because 2 times 2 is 4, so 12 plus 4 is 16 plus 1 is 17, that's equal to 17, and you know your equation is right. So that is how you find a quadratic equation from tables. Hope you learned something today, and I'll see you soon. Cheers, everyone.